All right, there it is. Lucky's Auto Transport. Oh, there it is. My dream come true. San Fernando again. Another clean one, man. Hell yeah. I've been looking for this car for 30 years. Damn. And this is a JDM version right here, man. Hell yeah. I didn't record the last time because I forgot. The CRX? The CRX, the black one? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Circle taillights and everything, man. Check that out. Oh, they took the camera off, but oh, look at that. Momo and everything, man. We got the, oh yeah, stainless steel exhaust system. What kind of was these? Now, they did bring it up for, because of the shipping. They don't want to scrape the bottom. But hell yeah, look at this. FC3S, man. Woo. Hell yeah, it's got the fog lights. It's got the spoiler, front spoiler. Let's do it, let's do it. Alright. You see guys, these guys are professional. This is Lucky Auto Transport. These guys are the most professional tow truck company in the world right here, man. They pay attention to detail. It's dope. And in like 5 weeks, I'm gonna have another one coming. It's got a 97 Honda Integra. Yeah, it's got the B18, so I'm gonna take that engine out and put it in the CRX. Yeah. Dude, these are so popular now. Oh man. Man, is this original paint? I don't know, we'll see. Let's get it off first and then like I was saying in another video, the channel Illuminate, he saw this car here.
FDNFC RX-7.
Alright, so when let's do his work, I don't want to distract him or anything like that. Man, look at this rig, dude. Dang. You got the jack, you got this, you got that. They got it all, man. Let's see, let's do it. Matches the truck. Oh, you want me to roll, drive it down, or?
Just roll it back, because the e-brake doesn't want to hold that well.
Oh, I just drove it off. Or not. I just did it slowly. But damn. But and they lifted up the coilovers so that way they don't scrape on the when they're putting on the ship.
Make it easier.
Because it's actually a lot lower than this, but because that's coilovers, they lifted everything up. That's what they do in Japan. They do a lot of detail stuff like to make sure the cars come out
That's good.
Get delivered really good. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so B4, that's the company that does this. See here. Is that just dirt? I just gotta clean it up. So this is all good right here. Alright, so he's gonna bring it back into the garage for storage. Alright, so I already signed the release, the lading. They're gonna email it to me, so check it out, man. It has all the gauges in here, all the Japanese accessory stuff, and they left a goodie box in the back for me, so I'm gonna open it up, see what that is. Alright, so I don't have a any type of holder right here, so let's see if I can just put it on this one temporarily while I drive it in. Alright, I'm just gonna set it up real quick. Sun's about to go down, so go ahead and use my high pressure washer. So already soaked it all down before I put it in the garage for some storage and work on a few other things. Alright, so it's in here. It's in the garage next to the SCRX. Still got all my tools set up, kind of doing so. Got it on the charger, battery's dead. You know, I got the other one on the charger as well. Over here. Picked up some more Icon tools. They actually had 40 and 35% off. So, and these Icon flashlights were, they want to go for 40 bucks, and they're $20. So I bought 4 of those and 2 of the blue ones for my aerospace part. So I'm still gonna organize some stuff, and yeah, I'll lower down the car later on. Some pretty nice wheels. Not sure what brand this is, Meister. But boy, she's got some nice, it's got some nice rivets on there. So yep, gonna slam it back down. Paint job seems pretty cool. Don't think this is the original. It might be the original. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm gonna check. It's a little bit area like already starting to chip. You know, it's got all the marking. They put markings on there. So we're gonna leave it in for now. And I got the '97 Honda Integra showing up in about another 5 weeks. Gonna pull out that motor, the B18 C2, and then gonna swap it in this one. Pull out the ZT motor, sell that, and then I'll sell the chassis on the Honda Integra. Honda Integra has about 9,000 miles on it. Some dude had it in some warehouse, and didn't really drive it much. So you'll see when it's there. I'll put some pictures right now. You guys take a look at how it's supposed to look. Yep, circle tail lights, lead exhaust. All right, so it's got that black and red theme. That's how we're gonna be doing it. So stay tuned.